Yun, so today we will be having another discussion about the hydrostatic principles, the incompressible and isothermal pressure depth variation. So dito naman is pag-uusapan natin yung the type of if it is incompressible or non-incompressible. Meron kasi niyan tawag natin diyan sa sa mga pressure na yan. Or kasi actually doon yan sa sa thermodynamics if you discuss that in thermodynamics. Okay, so solve natin itong problem, Yung problem natin dito sabi is in 2010, the world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa or the Burj Dubai skyscraper was completed and opened in the United Arab Emirates. So doon yan sa Dubai, sa Burj Khalifa. The height of the building, which had remained in a secret until completion, is 2,717 feet or 828 meters. So that is the world's record ngayon na tallest building in the world. Estimate the ratio of the pressure at the top, which is the 2,717 feet of the building to the pressure, and it's based assuming the air to be at a common temperature of 59 degree Fahrenheit. Compare the pressure naman calculated in part A with the obtained by assuming the air to be incompressible with the unit weight of 0.07665 pound per cubic feet at 14.7 PSI in absolute pressure values of air at standard sea level condition. So dito is assume natin for the letter A, assume natin for the isothermal condition, and treating the air as compressible. Compressible yung air natin or yung compressible fluid. So pag ganito, ito yung formula natin pag the isothermal condition. Ito yung formula natin, which is yung E is the 2.718 ata yan sa calculator. Mayroon naman tayo niyang value sa calculator. Tapos ito yung gravity, tapos ito yung difference ng height, and then yung R natin is the gas constant, and then the temperature. So ganito lang yung pag-solve natin, or dapat alam mo yung formula niyan. Okay, so the values is 32.2, yung gravity natin 2717 yung ating height, minus 0, tapos yung natin is constant naman ito, kaya lang marami tong constant, depende doon sa unit na gagamitin mo. So it's up to you kung ano yung mga constant na gagamitin mo. Wala namang problema dyan yung gas constant natin. So basta importante lang yung temperature mo. Kung Rankine dito, dapat maging yung 59 degree na Fahrenheit, i-convert mo into Rankine. Para ma-cancel out itong Rankine. Yun lang yung Tapos, syempre, dito kung feet, dapat naka-feet para ganun yung unit natin is consistent yung unit natin. Okay? So, yun lang naman yung ating pagsusolve dyan sa problem na yan. So, we have E. Okay. And the power is negative 32.2 times 2717 divided by 1716 times 59 plus 460. Okay, so the answer natin is 0.906. So that is now the value of, or the difference of the pressure at the top. Okay, so yun lang yung ating sagot dyan sa problem na ito. So for letter B naman, if the air is treated as an incompressible, kanina is compressible, ngayon naman is isothermal pa din, pero incompressible naman siya. Okay, so ito yung formula naman niya for the incompressible. So ito yung H1 pa din natin, yung elevation pa din, Ito yung formula natin. So this is the unit weight. So may unit weight naman tayo dito. may unit weight dito. Kasi dito is incompressible fluid na kasi assuming the air to be incompressible. Incompressible na siya. So, P2 minus P1 which is common naman natin na formula, that's the unit weight is ito. Yon. So, lipat natin. Pag ilipat natin, di ba, magiging P1. Itong P1 magiging positive. So, itong ganyan na yung magiging formula natin. Kaya lang, yung problema natin is, yung sinasabi dito is compare the pressure calculated. So, how will you compare that kung ito ratio P2 over P1? So, ito, since ito yung formula natin, i-divide natin to ng P1. Para ito maging P2 over P1, ito magiging 1. I-divide natin siya by P1. Okay? Yan. Ito magiging 1 kasi divided by P1. P1 over P1 is equal to 1. So, ito magiging over P1 kasi dinivide natin. So, para magkaroon tayo ng comparison dito sa ating problem A. Okay? So, ganun lang yung ating pagsosolve dyan. Okay? Basic na yan, Basic na. Madali na. Okay, 0765 times 2717. Tapos yung P1 na 10 is 14.7 kasi naka-absolute ito yun times 144. Yan, 0.901 yung ating value or 902 kasi 9018. So, yun lang yung ating pagsasolve dito sa problem na ito. I hope na nakuha nyo yung or may nakuha kayo or bagong formula na napulot dito sa ating problem. This is for the compressible fluid and this is for the incompressible fluid. So, that's all for today.